Firstly, the slide is placed on the stage of the microscope, and then the 10 times objective lens is then moved to provide a view of the specimen, which starts the process of then getting our correct focus at that 10 times objective, so that once we've got that, we can magnify further once it is achieved. The two eyepieces are then adjusted back and forth until the view is a single image. The microscope is then focused using the coarse focus, which is the larger outer knob, and then which is then rotated gently to achieve a focused image. And then the field iris diaphragm, which controls how much light passes through the condenser, is closed down to as small as possible. The height of the condenser is now being adjusted in order to sharpen the area of the iris field. And the center of the iris field is then moved in order to ensure the field of vision is properly centered in order to have the best position and view of the specimen. Once this is done, the iris field is then opened, passing more light through the condenser. This then fills the field of vision, which assists in the quality of the specimen. At our clinic, this step is not usually included in our microscope setup, but the eyepiece can be removed and the iris adjusted to 80% of the maximum diameter. The coarse and fine focus knobs can then be adjusted in order to achieve a higher quality image through the microscope. This is done by adjusting the coarse first and the fine second. Once this is achieved, the lens can be switched to one of the higher magnifications. This allows a closer view of the specimen and then aids diagnosis. Once the higher magnification is present, the fine-tuning focus can further be adjusted for maximum clarity and quality. The microscope can then be cleaned and sharps discarded within clinic protocols into the correct sharps bin, ensuring cleaning is undertaken with appropriate laboratory cleaning materials. In this case, a chem wipe to clean the lens and ensure the microscope remains dust-free. The microscope should then be turned off and covered, and if required, returned to its storage position.